Why is the iPhone 11 screen bulging? Especially like this, it is bulging a lot, and what you can do about it. Now the reason being is because the battery is swelling, and it can be dangerous depending on the circumstances. So if your iPhone's 11 screen is lifting like this, it is separating or bulging out of the frame. This is not normal wear and tear. It's most likely a swollen lithium battery pushing against this plate from inside. So in this video, I explain why this happens, the real dangers of battery inflation, warning signs you must not ignore, and what you should do immediately to prevent further damage or fire risk. So if your iPhone 11 looks like it's popping open, stop using it and watch this video now. Okay, step number 1 is you want to power off your iPhone immediately. Press and hold on the side button and the volume key and slide the power to switch it off. Step number 2 is do not charge the device. So do not attempt to charge the device while it is bulging. Charging increases pressure and heat. And do not press on the screen back down. This can puncture the swollen battery inside. Step number 4 is to inspect for other warning signs. Check for overheating or strange smell, rapid battery drain, or screen separation. Now do not attempt to remove the battery yourself unless you have experiencing doing so. Lithium batteries can ignite if punctured. Now take it to a certified repair center, have the battery safely removed and replaced, and dispose of the swollen battery properly. Never throw it in a regular trash. Use approved e-waste recycling. Now if you have experience replacing the battery, you can get one, so you can get a new battery and replace it. You can see here, if it bulges any further, it has the potential to crack the LCD in the glass on the iPhone 11. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it helps. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, so here is the battery on the inside. You can see it is swollen. And this is what a flat battery should look like. Normal battery, not swollen like this. See it nice and flat. This one bulge up. And that's it. Thank you for watching.